Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and then you need to provide your passcode or your fingerprints, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now, once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on the swap tab in the bottom. Now over here, with the help of this swap feature by Trust Wallet, you can swap any of the coins that you want. So first, you will have to select USDT in the top. So you simply need to tap on this drop arrow button and you need to type USDT. But as you can see over here that it is currently showing no result for USDT. Now let's just search for TRX coin. So in the to section, you will have to search for TRX and see whether it is available. So as you can see over here that it is not available over here. It simply means that you cannot swap to USDT to TRX with the help of this feature. So in order to swap it with you need to swap it with a different method. For that, you will have to tap on the browser button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you need to use this search bar and you simply need to type PancakeSwap. Once I've done that, you will be landed on this page of pancakeswap.finance, where you need to make sure that your wallet is selected. In order to check it, you will have to tap on this wallet button in the top and it will show you which wallet of yours is connected. So over here, you will have to select the currency. So in order to select it, you simply need to click on select currency and then select USDT. After that, you will have to select TRX. So in the to section, you will have to tap on this drop arrow button and here you will have to select TRX. After selecting TRX, the swap option will be open in the bottom, so you will have to tap on the swap, and after waiting for some time, you will be able to easily change USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.